Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Chevy Corvette. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have 4-point exhaust on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Corvette on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.